Okay, Scholastica is taking a class from Professor Chaos. Professor Chaos gives 2 tests in his course and determines the student's grade as follows. He calculates the smaller of the two numbers, half of the score on first test and actual score on the second test. So his variable are marks 1 by 2 and marks in test 2. He gives each student a numerical score equal to the result of his calculation. Okay, so he calculates the smaller of these two. So he calculates min of marks of one test by half of first test marks and second test marks. He gives each student numerical score equal to the result of his calculation and then ranks the student. Scholastica would like to be ranked as high as possible in Professor Chaos's ranking. If we represent her score on the first exam on the horizontal axis and her score on the second exam on the vertical axis, then her indifference curve. So this is just min of x by 2 comma y. Okay, x by 2 comma y वाला है ये. So min of x by 2 comma y प्लॉट करना है, हमको आता है कैसे प्लॉट करना है. वी ऑलरेडी नो हाउ टू प्लॉट दिस. यूटिलिटी इक्वल्स टू min of x by 2 comma y. Okay, so this is your ICs. Okay, so he is going to so utility will be equal to x by 2 if x by 2 is less than y. So whenever x by 2 is less than y, utility equals to x by 2. So what is the region for x by 2 less than y? So this is going to be the region x less than y equals to x by 2 बनाते हैं. So first of all, I am going to plot y equals to x by 2. So that is the line with slope half. Okay, so slope half वाली line बना लो यहाँ से. So this is your y equals to x by 2 line. Okay, so the region I am looking for is y greater than x by 2. So a point like this will have y equal to x by 2. So if you go up from here, you will have y greater than x by 2. So all the points above this blue line will have y greater than x by 2. Okay, so whenever y is greater than x by 2, utility equals to x by 2. So यहाँ पे utility becomes x by 2. By same logic यहाँ पे utility हो जाएगी y. Okay, so this side is utility x by 2. So it's going to look like this, and this side is utility equals to y, so it's going to look like this. Okay, so this is going to be your ICs. They are going to be L-shaped curves. They are going to be L-shaped curves. Okay, but they are not going to have kinks at y equals to x. They will have kinks at y equals to x by 2. Let's just check the answer कौन सा है. ठीक है, answer is D. So let's check if D is the answer. L-shaped curves with kinks where exam 1 score is twice that of exam 2 score. So exam 1 score, so that is x is twice that of exam 2 score. So x equals to 2y or y equals to x by 2. Okay, these are two equivalent conditions. So y equals to x by 2. So that is your position of all the kinks, the blue line. Okay, so all the kinks will be on the blue line. The blue line is y equals to x by 2. So yeah, D is the answer.